So now, that was the, so to take a left, you go to the street. Now we are on the Greenway, Green Line. Well, not Green, whatever the hell it's called. Greenway. Going to the bathroom, going potty. Couple dogs. Oh, beautiful little dog. So this is the Greenway line now. This is the first video of this one. This one goes parallel to Lake Street. And it goes all the way to Mighty Mo. I think there's a dog park over here, but right now I saw Lake Calhoun, but that's to the right, Lake Harriet. Yep, the Greenway. Yep, there's a dog park to my left. Big one too, lots of dogs. I love dog parks. They're fun. I've been down here in the fall. That's what a headset is for. Not yelling into your screen. We're crossing over a little area right here. This gets a big workout down here in this area down here.
Really?
Oops, sorry. Oh, yep. Some nice houses back here. When you get over on Lake Calhoun, it's gorgeous. Really nice houses, but problem you get a lot of traffic. So now we're parallel to Lake Street. I know they wanted to go across the old Mighty Mo, but they won't have to work with the railroad on that, which is dumb. Should be able to build one. Looks like a goat. Hello. Hi. Looks like a goat from behind. So now we're going under Hennepin Avenue. She's down there with her dog down there. Beautiful German Shepherd. The old train trestle, the original one, is down there. Under Fremont Avenue. A lot of apartments along the way on here. There was one guy that was, I guess, a couple of years ago, had an electrical bike, and he had made it faster and went off the road and down here and killed him. Got killed. And you got a biffy right here. You got to drop a deuce or something. That's nice. Oh, tatted up. Oh my goodness. Hey Bryant, love you. So it gets a big workout, man. There's a ton of people of all ages. It's great for roller skating. The old bridges here too as well. Someone's taking a nap. It's okay in the daytime. You still want to come down here at nighttime. Lake Street, just a block away, yeah. Yeah, they rent those things, then they leave them out. Oh. Nice little garden there, that's nice. Lots of ways to get on and off this thing. Sioux Line community. What the hell? Another cheetah electrical bike. Oh, a couple dogs. Hanging out. Kind of cool. Oh man, good way to spend a Saturday afternoon. She's trucking. Downtown Greenway. Yeah, you can walk down below down there, and I guarantee you there's a lot of stuff going on down below down there. You know. Now we're going under Nicollet Avenue by the old Target. I mean the old Kmart that they finally tore down after it burned down. I drove by it on my video and said they should burn it down, and one night later, what happened? It burned the ground. They started fires in it. Doing a bridge here. But yeah, we'll pull off the side here. Get a little fresh water, fresh horses. All right, guys. Round one.